Hi, everybody. It's the last week of class, and you have a big project due on Friday. So I thought I would do a really quick recording about the final paper to make sure that we're all on the same page and we all have kind of equal footing when it comes to finding the research articles. So first, what I want to do, I want to share my screen with you. If you go to the modules, you will see a page called Thinking Ahead, the Final Paper. This is a great resource for you as it walks you through exactly what the expectations are for the paper. The paper needs to be 3 to 5 double-spaced pages. This does not include the cover page or your reference page. So 3 to 5 pages of content. You need to file APA style format. If this is a new format for you, there are two resources listed here. I personally like the OWL Purdue one a little bit more. It's a little bit more user-friendly, at least in my opinion. So it's got everything that you could need, walks you through what it needs to look like. If you have any questions about APA, please don't hesitate to join me on a Zoom virtual office hour or to send me an email. I'll be happy to walk you through it. On the Thinking Ahead, the final paper, it says that the references for this paper need to be from professional scientific journals, and they need to be within the last 4 years, so nothing older than January 2014. You need to go to the library in order to get these. These cannot be websites. These cannot be magazines. This needs to be refereed professional journal articles. So I'm about to walk you through how to do that. Here are just some ideas of topics. You can definitely choose something else, but what's important is you're talking about this topic and how it relates to stress. So you're not just doing a paper on yoga. You're talking about the effects of yoga on stress or stress management, or you're talking about exercise and the effects on stress, acupuncture and the effects on stress. So make sure that you're making that connection inside your paper. In your rubric, you'll see there's total of 10 points for the APA style, 10 points for grammar, your sentence construction, your word use, your punctuation, capital I's, your periods, making sure that we're writing in good college level format. 50 points are for the content, the depth of thinking, the articulation of the relevance of the topic. 20 points for the organization. You can see there what we're looking for. And then 10 points for using appropriate references. So if you Google K-State libraries, this is what comes up. I use it often enough. I keep it on my toolbar. But then if you go to databases, it pulls up all of the databases that are available through K-State. My favorite one is EBSCOhost multi-database search. So I go and I click there. I make sure and sign in. If you go through these, you can choose which databases you want to use. I already know, because I've done this so many times, I'm going to choose Academic Search Premier, and I'm going to hit continue so I don't have to go through all that page. And then I'm going to come over here and I'm going to hit choose databases. And I'm just going to pick out the ones that I know I want. And I'm going to do professional development collection, psychology. I'm also going to do education, full text, and ERIC, because those are my go-to that I use in my field all the time. So please feel free to read through the other page and choose which ones you want to use. But those are the ones I'm going to do. And so then I'm going to type in personality styles and just see what comes up. Maybe I've already chosen. You can see here there's 3,706 total articles that come up. First thing I want to do is I want to limit to 2014. because you know you need to be using really recent articles. If I put something in quotations, it's only going to look for it as they are together. And so now I've used the Boolean phrase and stress. And it's brought up a couple of different articles. I might try to take off and stress. To try to pull up different things. When you are inside of a database, if it's already easily available, you can just click the PDF full text and it's there for you. As you can see on some of the other ones, there was Get It at K-State. And it'll pull up inside of our library. It wants you to sign in again. And then you can tell it where to go to look for it. So then here's that article. It's important that you don't use just the first articles that pull up. You're going to want to read through them, see how you can utilize them in your paper. EBSCOhost might not be the best database to use for personality styles and stress management, so I'm going to go try a different database. Another really good one is ProQuest. This is the second one that I use the most often. But again, I want the ProQuest multi-database search. And here, I'm going to choose the databases. Some people will just leave all of them open, but I know that personality styles and stress is not going to be under accounting. So if I click the select all button, it goes away. Eric, again, is a really good one. Oops, sorry. Psych articles, psych info. Those are going to be good ones for my topic. So I put in my phrase, custom date range, 2014 to through now, click apply, and it pulls it up. So again, it looks like ProQuest was my better bet for this particular topic. Still 76. I might want to limit it to just scholarly journals. And then you can go through here, and it works the same way. Full text PDF will pull it up for you right there. So lots of different choices for this topic. If you have any questions, if you're struggling to find articles, if you're struggling to use the library, please let me know. I want to help you get good quality literature so that you can write a nice quality paper. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to reach out. Talk to you guys later. Bye.